So what is it showing?
So apparently the charge percentage is 32. Initially the range that was showing was 62 kilometers, but suddenly, or I should say magically, the range went up to 111 kilometers. So we are facing a server issue here, where apparently, just a moment, yeah, you can see that after loading for a couple of minutes, this is what the story is. Oops, something went wrong and nothing is happening.
And the entire TCS team is working on this.
Yes, they have been working for a very long time now. As per their information or update, they have been working since 2 o'clock. Now it's going to be 6. Right. So they decided to upgrade their server or make some changes. There are 2 chargers, 2 cars stranded here for charging, and they have been stranded for a long time now. There's a Tata Nexon.
ये तो हमसे आगे है. What did the call center say?
Now the call center said that they don't have any update as such regarding when the issue will be fixed. They said it will be soon. Now soon is a very generalized statement where we do not know anything like soon means how soon. 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, or when?
It says the future is here. But are we yet into the future?
We are stuck in the present, unable to take the leap.
The funniest thing is, the whole TCS Tata Consultancy Services इसमें लगी पड़ी है.
So we have like 2 charges. Is there any update?
कुछ नहीं.
Oh no, it's just
क्या हुआ?
for a point or so we were surprised. Oh, just screen change हो गया. So welcome to CCS to again. Initially वहाँ पे वो status दिखा रहा था. ठीक है, we're showing the status.
Why didn't you try once?
That is a 30 kilowatt. But I can only try when the bubble is here, na? No charge bubble is showing.
So you refresh the app.
So I'll do one thing. I'll close the app.
Close the app, restart your phone and then do. उसको नया IP address मिलेगा तो नई कोशिश करेगा. It should work now.
Let's see. Let's hope for the best.
तो
it's
on video.
Loading.
वो loading तो ठीक है. On video at least proof मिल जाएगा.
Nothing is happening. Usually what happens when the charger is nearby or we are near the charger, there's a bubble which appears. When we select it, from then we can enter the amount.
Balloons, they call it
the balloons. So you press the balloons and then you select the chargers and how you want to charge it, using kilowatts or using the monetary value. So nothing is coming, so we are unable to proceed further. So even though we have chargers in front of us, they are useless.
The chargers are energized also.
Sitting ducts, 3-phase connections they are using, but apparently they are of no use to us presently. So you can see the network here is also showing. Okay, it's here. Let me see. Oh,
something went wrong.
The balloon is here. When I press the balloon, then this happens.
The sad thing is we can't even write to Ratan Tata.
Sir, please help us from the heaven. We are stranded in Durgapur. We have to go back to Kolkata.
Then we have to take the Tiago.
We have to take the car also. So as you can see,
the entire TCS, all the TCS employees of India are working on it.
Yes.
जो नहीं भी कर रहे थे उनको भी लगा दिया होगा. सारा काम बंद करके इस पे लगाओ.
हाँ, इस पे लगाओ. टाटा का सर्वर डाउन है. टाटा पावर का, to be precise, not Tata.
अरे इसको निकाल के लगा भी तो नहीं सकते. It is, we can't even hotwire this. That's a funny thing. पहले हम लोग पता क्या करते थे? We used to, if this car didn't have a charge, we used to take 2 copper wires and connect करते थे ना जंप स्टार्ट
करने के लिए.
वो भी नहीं कर पाएंगे.
वो नहीं कर सकते. That provision is not there.
लेकिन I'm sure in गुड़गांव और हरियाणा some जाट, कोई जाट होगा जो इसको खींच के लगाएगा.
कुछ तो कोशिश
under the influence of
intoxicants.
Toxins. Intoxicants नहीं, तो they're called psychotropic.
Psychotropic तो वहाँ पे नहीं ना, वो लोग तो
Intoxication means alcohol and psychotropic substances means or maybe coke. Yeah, could be Afim also. So let's see, what is the tagline here? The future is here. We are still waiting for the future. And this is the charger. इसमें इनका एंटेना भी है जो चिपका हुआ है ऊपर. See, this is a 4G antenna. I want to capture his conversation, facial expression and all other stuff. Because we're in Bengal right now. You have to see the body language. His body language and reactions. जिसमें लिखा है notice cars are being charged at owner's risk. See? They have assumed that the cars are being charged. আপনার গাড়িতে কত পার্সেন্ট আছে এখন?
30%.
কি হবে 30%-এ? इसको पढ़ें जरा. Let's go through this. Do's and don'ts of. Let's dissect this.
Public electrical vehicle charging. Do move your vehicle promptly after your battery is charged. Remember, it's a charging station, not a parking lot.
Valid.
Yes, but it should charge first, right? While leaving your EV for charging, do leave a note advising others they can disconnect your EV charger to charge your. I'm so sorry to say
ये नहीं
that.
करेगा, ये बंदा तो करेगा नहीं.
I'm so sorry
He
to
will
say
not
that, but once the gun is plugged in, it gets locked.
Yeah.
So until and unless the charging is stopped or you voluntarily stop yourself, no one can pull out your gun. Do ensure the charging cords are stored neatly, both when charging and when finished charging.
वो तो हम करते ही हैं बार-बार.
Now on the don'ts. Don't fully charge your vehicle to 100%. It is recommended to charge your EV up to 70 to 80% for best performance.
I have no idea on that.
That is actually advisable, but none of us pay heed to it. We intend to make sure that it is charged completely to 100%. No matter how badly you need to charge or how full other driver's battery is, don't unplug another vehicle.
Don't unplug his car.
We need to badly charge our vehicle, but we are unable to charge. Don't take a charging spot at a busy public station if you have enough energy to reach another.
Energy नहीं है.
So we are very close, we are neck to neck, even though we can reach another energy station, but since the server issue is there, so we won't be able to make it there also. Even if we make it, we won't be able to charge there.
The fun thing is energy is everywhere. कहीं भी हाथ लगाइए, बिजली आपको शॉक आपको मिलेगा.
Okay, so this is interesting. Though they have updated the app, and this pop-up has been coming up for the last 1 hour. 10 or 12 times I have seen this, but it's not helpful at all. So I select this, I continue. Loading.
अच्छा, loading. Why don't you uninstall this app and reinstall again with OTP and whatever, and then see.
Oh, that will be a very big
long process. Let's do that. कर ही लेते हैं ना, कोई काम तो है नहीं अभी.
Let's do that.
So let's do that only. আমরা কি করছি, অ্যাপটাকে আনইনস্টল করে উড়িয়ে দিচ্ছি ফোন থেকে, আবার ঢোকাচ্ছি, তাহলে যদি চলে, চেষ্টা করতে কি যায়.